Hello, my name is Derek Maxfield, NetSteps Founder and CTO. Today I'll be explaining the functionality of category trees within the Products tab of the Global Management Portal. A category tree is simply our name for a hierarchical view of browsable categories on a website. So for instance, if I switch over here to the demo personal website, you'll notice browse our catalog, and then over here on the left, the nested categories. We've got sports, and then within sports, these different types of sports. These categories, of course, contain products that were assigned to those categories. Well, the way that is configured in ENCORe is you configure a category tree, and this actually takes a bit to load here. I should have preloaded this. But you configure a tree using kind of a sitemap-like editor. It's actually a tree view where you can drag and create and edit. And you do that completely independent of assigning any products. And it's not until after you've created the tree that then you can go and assign products to the different categories. Now, while this is loading, it's important to remember the difference between a catalog and a category. In a different training video, we discussed catalogs as the way to define product availability. It's a list of products, one level deep, that just says these are the products that are available in this catalog for this time period. Category trees are assigned to a catalog as a way for those items that are available to be browsable. So, for instance, let's click on this one right here, and you'll see this is a category tree of some instruments. We've got 3 parent level categories, and then each one has 2 child categories. You can reorder simply by I drug it underneath, so keep it on the same level right there. You can create a child catalog by simply clicking on the plus and putting the information over here. You can edit the information of an existing category by language. This is where the translation happens for the website. Of course, it defaults to English. You put the description and the image. Now, the image is kind of the glamour shot for that particular product line. So, for instance, actually this site is not utilizing it. It would show up here before the items for the category, and you can have a large image that's specified for that category, as well as a content managed block. That content managed block can sometimes be used to highlight promotions. It's just an HTML blob that can be used for anything that the client wants. And that's it. Once you've created a category tree, then over here on the Products tab, as you're defining and configuring products, each product can be assigned to one to many categories. And it's done simply by choosing the category tree and selecting the categories that you want that product to be available in. Thank you.